People keep tweeting Jules about the show, and he says he's going to come on the podcast. I'm telling you guys, tomorrow we're going to go throw out all the dates that we have for the podcast.
Got to keep tweeting them.
And Jules, if he's not on, it'll be because of him, because I'm going with all the dates on Tuesday that he can come on the podcast.
Or did you realize Julian Edelman threw the only touchdown pass for us yesterday?
Yeah, I mean, he warmed the arm up. I know he was hyped because ever since Sanu came, everyone's been talking to him about not throwing the ball again because Sanu has such a better arm. But now Jules, I mean, I think that's 2 touchdowns now. Only has 1 incompletion. I mean, the guy's doing
has a pretty
solid.
good stat line himself.